Hello everyone, my name is Leslie Forbes, Lead Training Specialist with the NEWT Division of Fibernetics. This video will provide you with the instructions on how to perform the most common features on the Grandstream GXP series handsets. Please follow along. Call forwarding. This feature will allow you to forward your extension to an alternate internal extension or a 10-digit telephone number. Using the soft keys located below the screen of the handset, press the key associated with the More soft key to view the Forward All soft key. Select the Forward All soft key and enter the 10-digit phone number or internal extension number you would like your calls forwarded to. Using the More soft key, select the OK soft key to save your entry. Once you've selected OK, you will be brought back to the main screen of the handset. Your line keys will now show the 10-digit phone number or internal extension number your calls will be forwarded to, confirming the change. To disable this feature, select the More soft key to view the Cancel Forward soft key. Simply press, and you will be brought back to the main screen. The screen will now list your name and extension number beside your line keys, confirming the forward has been canceled. Conference calls. This feature will allow you to add up to 5 additional callers to an active call. During an active call, press the Conference hard key button located on the right-hand side of the handset. This will put the active caller on hold and provide you with a dial tone. Dial the third party you wish to add to the call, internal extension number or 10-digit phone number, and press the Send hard key or the Dial soft key button to initiate the call. Once the third party answers the call, press the Conference soft key located below the screen of the handset to join both callers. During a conference call, you will see a soft key option to kick a participant off the conference, allowing you to continue the call with the remaining parties. By pressing this soft key, the screen will display the list of active callers on the conference. Select the user you wish to remove from the conference by selecting with the arrow keys on the handset. Then select the Submit soft key. This will disconnect that user from the conference but keep the remaining participants on the call. Blind transfer. A blind transfer will allow you to transfer an existing call to another internal extension or external telephone number while providing the name and the number of the caller being transferred. During an active call, using the soft key button below the screen, press the Transfer soft key. This will put your caller on hold and provide you with a dial tone. Dial the 3 or 4-digit extension number or the 10-digit telephone number you are transferring the caller to, followed by the Blind Transfer soft key. The transfer is complete once the main screen on your handset returns to an active state. Attended transfer. An attended transfer will allow you to introduce the caller you are attempting to transfer prior to completing the transfer. In this instance, for internal extensions, the recipient will see the name and the extension number of the user attempting to transfer the call on their handset display. If transferring to an external number, the recipient will see the phone number of the transferring party. During an active call, using the soft key button below the screen of the handset, press the Transfer soft key. This will put your caller on hold and provide you with a dial tone. Dial the 3 or 4-digit extension number or 10-digit telephone number you are transferring the caller to, followed by the More soft key. Press the Attended Transfer soft key. This will dial that extension or phone number and allow you to speak with the recipient before transferring the call. If the recipient accepts the call, press the Transfer soft key to complete the transfer. If the recipient does not accept the call and disconnects on their end, you will automatically put your caller into a hold state. You can resume the call to further manage call handling. Voicemail transfer. A voicemail transfer will allow you to transfer a caller directly into an internal extension's voicemail. In this instance, the recipient's handset will not ring. The caller will be placed directly into the voicemail of the extension to leave a message. During an active call, using the soft keys below the screen of the handset, select the Transfer soft key button. This will put your current caller on hold and provide you with a dial tone. Dial 31 plus the extension number of the recipient, then the blind transfer soft key to complete the transfer. The caller will be put directly into the extension's voicemail to leave a message. Once your main screen returns, the transfer is complete. Call park. Parking a call places it into a hold state, but allows you to retrieve the call from a different handset. Park calls on the Grandstream models also provide full visibility to where a call is parked for easier tracking. During an active call, using the multi-purpose keys located on the side of the screen, select a park number position to place the call on. Once selected, the caller is placed in a hold state. The park call will be visible on all handsets by the red light indicator. The park position assigned to the multi-purpose key will be located on the side of the screen. Once the main screen on the handset has returned to an active state, the park is complete. To retrieve a park call, simply press the associated multi-purpose key the call has been assigned to. You can either pick up the handset or leave it on speakerphone.